Hello and welcome back to the Code channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we're diving into the sharing accounts between companies feature in Odoo 18. This is especially helpful in multi-company environments like parent-subsidiary structures, joint ventures, or shared services. By sharing accounts, you can streamline reporting, simplify accounting, and maintain consistency across your financial data. So let's jump into Odoo and see exactly how this works.
Before we dive in, let's make sure multi-company access is enabled for our user. To check that, head over to the Settings app, then click on Users and Companies and select Users. In this example, we are working with the Mitchell admin profile, so let's go ahead and open his card. Now under the Allowed Companies field, you can add or remove companies based on where you want this user to have access. For this demo, we'll be using two companies, US company and German. Now let's jump into the accounting module. From here, navigate to Configuration, then Chart of Accounts. At first, you'll see the chart of accounts related to the company currently selected. In our case, that's US company. But you can always switch between them or even view accounts from multiple companies at once. To do that, simply select the companies you want at the top and then click Confirm. Next, let's create a new shared account. Start by setting an account code. Make sure it's an unique number that hasn't already been used in another company chart of accounts. For the account name, I'll enter something simple, let's say income account. Then under account type, select income, since this is going to be used for recording revenue. Once done, click Save. Now that the account is created, let's open its full form to complete the setup. In here, you'll notice a tab called Mapping. Here we will enter the account number. If you want this account to be shared across companies, the code must be identical in each one. That's how Odoo knows to link them together. Next, if we go back to the Accounting tab, we can add the German company in the Company field. Once added, click Save again, and that's it. You've now successfully created a shared account that works across both of your companies. Now let's switch to the German company and create a new customer invoice using this shared account. This will help us see how it appears in the financial reports for that company. So let's go ahead and add our customer Deco Addict and select the product cable management box. Next, we'll manually update the account with the one we just created. Now, of course, you can set this account at the product or product category level if you want it to apply automatically in the future. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to validate the invoice, then click Pay to register the payment. Now let's head back to the chart of accounts and search for the income account we just used. You'll see that the account now reflects the invoiced balance. Let's take it a step further and verify this through reporting. Open the general ledger and search for the shared account. And there it is. The transaction appears tied to a German company using the shared income account. Now let me switch over to my US company. We're going to look at that same account again. If you check the general ledger, you'll notice it doesn't appear yet. That's because we haven't used it for any transactions under this company. So let's go ahead and create a new customer invoice to generate a transaction using this account. This time I select a different customer. Let's go with Azure Interior. In the invoice lines, I'll add another product, say a customizable desk. Next, let's assign the same shared income account we've been working with. Click Confirm, and then create a payment. Now let's return to the general ledger one more time, and you'll see the transaction is listed under the same shared account, but now it's tied to US company. We don't see the earlier transaction from the German company. This clearly shows that even though the account is shared, each company's transactions are tracked independently. Odoo keeps everything clean and company specific, ensuring compliance and clarity in your financial reporting, while still giving you the benefit of a unified chart of accounts. And if you want to see the total balance of that account, including transactions from both companies, just tick the box next to the other company at the top and click Confirm. You'll see the account balance now reflects the combined transactions across companies, while still keeping them distinct behind the scenes. And that's how we can share accounts between companies in Odoo 18. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.